Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets to see if they really deliver. Today, we're checking out the Starlink Mini Mount with powerful suction, a tool-free mounting solution designed for SUVs, vans, RVs, and even cars. If you've been struggling to keep your Starlink Mini steady while on the move, this mount promises to make your life a lot easier. Right out of the box, the Starlink Mini Mount is lightweight and portable. It comes with 2 brackets and 4 suction cups, so you can set it up almost anywhere you have a smooth surface. Whether it's a car window, a sunroof, or even temporary setups in your RV, this mount is designed to attach securely without any tools or drilling. That means no permanent marks or complicated installation steps, which is perfect for road trips or temporary setups. The suction system is the real standout here. It's engineered to hold the Starlink Mini firmly in place, minimizing signal drops and interruptions even when the vehicle is in motion or during bad weather. So whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working remotely, or gaming while on the go, the mount helps keep your connection stable and reliable. Another major plus is its flexible design. You can adjust it quickly, reposition it if needed, and move it between vehicles with ease. Its compact form factor makes it easy to carry, which is great for digital nomads, overlanders, or anyone who needs fast, on-the-go internet access. Durability is also key. The mount is made from premium ABS material, which resists wear, vibration, and environmental factors. And the sleek white finish blends seamlessly with most vehicle interiors, giving you a clean, modern look without sacrificing functionality. Overall, the Starlink Mini Mount with powerful suction is a versatile, reliable, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to get the most out of their Starlink Mini while traveling. It combines portability, stability, and ease of use in a package that's ready to go wherever your journey takes you. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed insights on the latest gadgets.